Board the train, Walt E. Disney, Main Street to Frontierland.
Welcome aboard, folks. We're beginning a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom. It stops along the way in Frontierland and Fantasyland. Sit tight and keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs well inside the train. We're currently departing Main Street Station. And if you're missing those friendly faces already, not to worry. On this train, it's never goodbye. It's always see you real soon.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
Friends, I'm so delighted you've joined us today. There's nothing I enjoy more than showing folks around this Magic Kingdom, especially because it's certified proof that in these parts, dreams really do come true. See, there was a time not so long ago that I was just a young fellow on Main Street with a balloon in my hand and a wish in my heart that someday I'd be the conductor of this train. And wouldn't you know it, with a bit of gumption and a dash of magic, here I am. So believe it when I say that around here, anything is possible. See what I mean? You have to compass because that is the sound of adventure. Adventureland, I should say. Whether navigating wild jungle rivers, swashbuckling with strong buccaneers, or even escaping a towering treehouse, there's always plenty to explore here in Adventureland. This here's Frontierland. Home to cowpokes, campfires, and country bears, this outpost is chock full of tall tales and an even taller mountain. We call it Big Thunder. Catch a ride. On a more musical note, Just ahead, I heard some new critters are moving in and looking to make a splash. Take a listen. We've reached Frontierland Station, everyone, so sit tight. Hold those horses until we come to a complete stop. If you're disappointed, please carry your strollers all the way off the platform before unfolding. That'll help make room for any new buckaroos. Watch your step now. This is Frontierland Station.
Hi there, as you're riding into the station, we're going to ask that you remain fully seated until the train comes to a complete stop. I will give you those words of all clear when it is safe to disembark. Remain seated. All clear.